Where's my JSON data in my incoming Django request? I'm trying to process incoming JSON/Ajax requests with Django/Python. Request.is_Ajax is true on the request, but I have no idea where the payload is with the JSON data. Request.post.dir contains this. There are apparently no keys in the request post keys. When I look at the post in Firebug, there is JSON data being sent up in the request.
If you are posting JSON to Django, I think you want request.body. Request.raw_post_data on Django is lower than 1.4. This will give you the raw JSON data sent via the post. From there you can process it further. Here is an example using JavaScript, jQuery, JSON and Django. JavaScript. Django. Django is lower than 1.4.
I had the same problem. I had been posting a complex JSON response, and I couldn't read my data using the request.post dictionary. My JSON post data was In this case you need to use method provided by Aureolus. Read the request.body and deserialize it with a JSON slib.
Method 1. Client, send as JSON. Server. Method 2. Client, send as XWWW form Erlang coded. Note, content type and process data have changed. JSON.stringify is not needed. Server. Changed in 1.5 plus, this URL. Non-form data in HTTP requests. Request.post will no longer include data posted via HTTP requests with non-form specific content types in the header. In prior versions, data posted with content types other than multipart/form data or application/XWWW form Erlang coded would still end up represented in the request.post attribute. Developers wishing to access the raw post data for these cases should use the request.body attribute instead. Probably related. This URL. Fixed in 1.7. This URL.
It's important to remember Python 3 has a different way to represent strings, they are byte arrays. Using Django 1.9 and Python 2.7, and sending the JSON data in the main body, not a header, you would use something like but for Django 1.9 and Python 3.4 you would use. I just went through this learning curve making my first Py 3 Django app.